AI's taken over the world and they've taken over Canva. And I'm loving this feature. I think that it is a game changer for YouTubers. But there are a couple flaws and it's in beta. So I expect it to only get better. One of the new things is they've renamed more to apps, which is absolutely fantastic because it's more clear what it is. Before, you're like, more? What does more mean? Now it says app. You're going to scroll down till you see create something new. And this text to image app is you type in a description and it spits out a photo. You just click it, it's going to show up on the side over here. You can describe the image that you want. Now, the more descriptive you are, the better your outcome. Dr. Fay says monkey at the beach. The limitations of text to image is that you can only do like maybe 20 a day right now. I don't know if that's going to expand. So you can choose a style, surprise me, photo, drawing, 3D, painting, pattern, concept art. Which one do you think would be great to look at? DRFA says photo. So, monkey at the beach, photo. We're going to generate the image. Oh, I just realized that I'm still faceless. Wow, these are pretty good. And are they creating four? It might be creating four images for me instead of just two. Oh, it is. I've only seen up to two images, but this time it gave me four. If I click one of them, so here's the image, and you're going to notice the uploads folder going. So now this is in my uploads folder. If I click info, it's going to tell me monkey at the beach uploaded by the creator classroom just now. And you can add tags, right? So I could add a tag that says monkey. You can even move it into a folder. So I could, let's see, I might need to scroll down a little bit, create a new one and create AI generated images. And I could add this to a folder. And that way I can go into my folders and grab all of the AI generated ones that I like. And you can do with it just like you would do any other thing. I mean, look at this. This is just amazing. If I really go in, the quality of the face there is not great. It doesn't always do faces that well. I'm going to start it again, and it still has monkey at the beach. But what if I added holding an umbrella? Woo, what if we add hyper realistic monkey at the beach? So here we go. We've got a lot more keywords, and I'm just going to click surprise me and generate. It is holding an umbrella, look, and they are creating four. I mean, it's just a fun way, but you could get carried away with it. And like I said, they do limit you on how many you can actually generate in a day. I'm going to show you. It does food really, really well. I mean, like this mashed potato one, it just kills me. Like it looks so realistic. And the funny thing is, that is absolutely. I mean, like it's just ridiculous. And this one right here, I don't remember exactly what I did, but it was something like ice cream sundae with blueberries and a yellow glass. And then I did photo, generate image, and let's see what it does today. And I'm just going to show you how I do the screenshot feature. And I'm going to use my Elgato Stream Deck for this because like screenshotting a specific segment. Oh my gosh, these are amazing. Look at this. You see what I mean? Like I could play with this feature all day long. It's amazing. So what I would do is screenshot. And so I just press the screenshot button on my Stream Deck, and then I select the image part that I would like to. Here it is now. And so screenshot, hello, food bloggers, right? I mean, like, it's just amazing. Now, hopefully they would be able to get an image of what they're actually doing. So there's my screenshot. Now, I think that it's something like Shift Windows S, which is a snip tool, so that I could snip just the portion I wanted. So now I've got this, and I'm going to send it down to transparency. That way later, I know exactly what my keywords were. Wow. And here's the other thing, this could give you an idea for composition, right? Thumbnails. Someone could legit go, oh, that would be a great thumbnail composition, right? They could recreate this image that they got the idea from text to image, and make that their own shot with their own products. I think that it is a game changer for YouTubers. And I mean, like, some people may not look at it like that, but I say think outside the box.